In a world where safety and awareness matter more than ever, surveillance needs to be smarter, faster, unstoppable. Manual monitoring, missed incidents, slow response times, those are problems of the past. Introducing Meridian Vision Detect, your next-generation AI surveillance platform. Detect individuals in real time across multiple camera streams. With lightning-fast processing and unmatched precision, visualize crowd flow and behavior. Identify hotspots, prevent bottlenecks, and act instantly on abnormal activities. Stay informed 24/7 with AI-driven alerts, suspicious activity, restricted breaches, and more. Delivered straight to your command center. Authenticate securely with advanced face recognition and liveness detection. Prevent fraud. Verify identity. Enable secure access and eKYC. Gain complete situational awareness with intuitive dashboards showing entry-exit trends, density maps, and face match logs. From a few cameras to an entire city grid, scale effortlessly with multi-camera integration. All detections are logged with time, camera ID, and even facial metadata for compliance-ready auditing. Your data stays secure, fully encrypted, GDPR compliant, because privacy isn't optional, it's a priority. Meridian Vision Detect, real-time vision intelligence, smarter security, sharper response.